question, Henry, is your recent makeover. Can you tell me how that's gone? I understand. And thank you. How do you think this is going to help you, like, in your everyday life? Let's see. Fantastic. And now Henry, I hear you like Henry treats. Can you just explain what those are to the audience quickly? Henry treats, then? Henry, I heard about your recent makeover. Could you like shed some light on this for me? I see. I've heard a lot about the smelly air you produce now and then when you talk. That's the one. Lovely. Okay, thank you for that, Henry. We're now going to go to a quick break where in a minute you're going to show some of your Henry skills in action. Thank you. And now, for the first time, live on stage, Henry! Fuck!